Hello Salman.
Hello.
So what are you doing?
I am making a story.
Okay. What is the task?
Task is when I click. I am making a button. When I click this button, the story will change.
Okay.
And we are making 4 buttons for 4 story.
Okay.
We are using JavaScript.
Okay.
Function.
Okay. So let's finish that. Okay. Hello Salman.
Hello sir.
Have you completed task?
Yes sir.
Okay. Explain the code.
So we have created 3 buttons with using of JavaScript.
Okay.
We have created functions.
Okay. So how it will work?
When you click on story 1, the images will change, heading, content.
Okay.
When you click on story 2, the image and heading will change. And when you click on story 3, the heading and this image will change.
Okay.
This is the task and I have completed.
Okay. So now what is this U written there? U.
Here,
Homework town.html. What is there? Yeah, Salman. Please push the code in GitHub. So what is the process?
the first we will check git status.
Okay. Okay. What is the next command?
These are the new files
Okay.
that we have used in
Okay.
this task.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
तो इसके लिए फिर we have to go git add to add this file.
Okay.
Git add space dot. The file is added.
Okay.
Then we get
Yeah.
commit
Okay.
-m.
Okay.
This is called hyphen
Okay.
origin.
No. Just add the message.
Yes. Message task.
Okay. Okay. Now
Then
what
we-
else?
This file was added and we have to do get push.
Okay.
It is pushed.
Now check your GitHub. Yeah. Refresh it.
Yes, sir, the file was created. Task.
Where is it? Homework s.html is there, right? See.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good job, Salman. Nice.